like
so close.
Why is it that?
It's dark. Can you see it? Hello, we're on the way to Bottomless.
Guys, I'm gonna do the oh wait, no. Oh, who do you think's gonna get the most fucked up tonight? Yes, it's Steffi.
No! But not Tommy.
Hi.
Hi, my name's Emily. I think either Kieran or Steffi will be the drunkest.
My name is Nell. I think it's gonna be Kieran. I think we should all. My name's Nelia and I think Kieran's gonna be the drunkest. Birthday boy!
Okay, do you want to film this way?
My name's Kevin.
Oh, no,
Oh, again, ready?
My name's Kevin, and I think Steffi will be the
My name's Crystal and I'm hoping it'll be Kieran, but I think it's gonna be Steffi.
My name's Steffi and I think the birthday boy Kieran's gonna be the drunkest.
Hi, my name's Kieran. I think Steffi's gonna be the drunkest.
How do I stop this?
Hi, my name is Kieran, and this is me before Bottomless.
Hi, my name's Crystal and this is me before Bottomless.
Hi, I'm Steph and this is me for Bottomless.
Hi, this is Kevin, and this is... Wait, what do I say again? Hi, this is Kevin, and this is me before Bottomless. This is our dinner, everyone. Okay. Hi.
Hi, we live in Fargo and Cove. We're going to Scarlet.
Yeah. We're going Scarlet.
Wait, we're going to... Can we refund, please?
We're going to Scarlet. Mel.
Like an email from you and your friend.
Did you get turn it off?
Kevin,
I'm just my
Why is it so zoomed in your face? Hi.
This and freelance.
Hi.
sorry, email.
Hi, we're right now in Scotland. We're just waiting in line. Hey, Golden!
Oh my god, it's so